this conversion, navigate to the upper left-hand corner of Geographic Calculator and select the Interactive Conversion tab. When the tab opens, look for Source Coordinate System. Under this heading, please click the System box and search for NAD 83 2011 with the EPSG code 6319 and click OK. Then right-click under the System box and select Copy, and paste it in the same location on the right-hand side of the page under the heading Target Coordinate System. The next step is to set the vertical system under the Source Coordinate System heading. To do this, select the vertical box next to Vertical. In the resulting menu, click North America, then United States, and select NAVD83 height with the EPSG code 5703 and click OK. Now set the vertical system under the Target Coordinate System heading to ellipsoidal height. Once this step is completed, enter the latitude and longitude points and the height value in the coordinate point definition box above the Source Coordinate System heading. Then select the Coordinate Transformation box in the middle of the screen and select the US GEOID Model for 2018 and click Calculate. You will then see that the height value in the coordinate point definition box on the right-hand side of the screen has been converted. When transformations have to be correct, consistent, and certifiable, GIS professionals around the world choose Geographic Calculator. To learn more about Geographic Calculator, please visit bluemarblegeo.com.